An incredibly rare phenomenon called a fire vortex or fire tornado was captured on video last week by ground teams responding to devastating fires, according to the BC newspaper Forest Fire Station. In the early morning hours of the 17th of August, conditions such as a sudden drop in temperature after a combination of heat waves and ferocious winds caused the Downton Lake wildfires to ignite, a rare event in the state. Teams fighting the wildfires in the Kelowna area continue to make progress as displaced people better understand the extent of the destruction and what it takes to rebuild their lives. But what will that recovery effort look like, and will some choose to avoid wildfire risk? More Canadians are grappling with the problem as the country faces a record wildfire season and more areas struggle with smoke and fire almost every year. A video of the vortex was posted online on Tuesday along with an explanation. The combination of high fire intensity, strong winds, and atmospheric mass instability created a fire vortex, also known as a fire tornado, over Lake Gunn. A vertical array of fiery vortices and a violent column of gas and flame. It's spinning, said the BCWS Twitter thread. Another important factor in vortex formation is sufficient vorticity, a measure of the tendency of the atmosphere to twist and roll. Complex terrain, hilly winds, and a passing cold front provided the conditions necessary to form this fire vortex over Lake Gunn. The Downton Lake wildfires continue to spiral out of control. Destruction of buildings was confirmed, and officials said the casualties were significant but were unable to reach the hardest hit areas to determine how many buildings had been damaged or destroyed. Also said, this vortex of fire occurred when a cold front swept through much of the state, causing a series of blazes that exploded, triggered a series of evacuation orders and warnings, and left devastation in their wake.
just south of Rolling Fork. We got a large wedge tornado approaching town right now. That's the town. It's in the direct path of the tornado. And we're just to the south of town. Tornado's coming straight at us. Is it moving left to right? Like, is it going to the right? I have it opened up. We're doing it. It's gonna hit this town. It's literally going for the town. Oh my, this is not good. This is not good for this town. Oh my gosh. It's gonna go straight in this town. Slow down. Let's get a bearing here.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Go out my window.
Where is it?
You can hear it. Hear it? Hear it? Hear the roar?
Slow down.
Power flash right there. Just saw a
Where
power
is
flash.
It's crossing right in front of us. Violent
It
tornado.
might be expanding, so.
Put your hazards.
Get my hazards on.
Yeah, there you go. They're on.
It's really big.
This is bad.
Rain. RSD. I don't know. It's pretty dangerous right here.
This is very strong wind.
Very strong.
Holy.
It might be expanding. It is huge.
It's a huge tornado.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going through the town now.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front of us.
Okay, power flash.
It's in front of us.
Oh,
Oh no. It's going straight through the town. It's I don't know, a piece of metal or something. Okay, oh yeah, we got damage here now. This is where the tornado came through.
Poles down.
Yeah, buildings,
House, tree down.
significant damage. Yeah. Oh man.
Trees got hit.
Oh man. Oh, we got bad. Oh, we got bad damage here. Got houses messed up.
Roof off the house on the
Roof
left.
off the house on the left. All right, we have to go search and rescue now.
Coming right across. I'm in a tornado. I am in a tornado. Whoa! A tornado! Are we
Oh my god. That is getting big. We probably shouldn't stand near the windows.
We probably shouldn't. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Some of this new video, it really shows this terrifying close angle, the power of a tornado that just absolutely ripped apart West Liberty, Kentucky. And you're going to hear the man speaking in the video. His name is Kevin Adkins, running from the tornado himself. Watch this.
All right. Now, guys, let's go. That's not clouds, that's stuff. Sink. Please.
It's coming right at us.
Please.
Yeah, there's
Get in here.
All right.
Okay.
Look.
Oh, Zeke, don't get.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's going.
No, we're all right. We're all right.
Look at that, passing over the house. Again, here's the view from this guy's basement. So he slowed the video down just so you can better appreciate this happening in the air outside of his home, just a tad too close here. He writes in this clip that this was an EF3 tornado with winds as strong as 165 miles per hour. And then this man asked people to help West Liberty's survivors.
That looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Probably. I don't know. You think we should?
No.
I was gonna say take pictures of it, not record it.
Yeah, it is. Quite a bit of inflow.
Yeah. I wasn't feeling it driving down the road. Record out my window again.
Oh, it's fucking area. You can put that. There's at least 3 or 4 tornadoes on the ground.
It's got a big tornado on the ground right now.
I'm talking about like on radar.
We're gonna take a left. Go ahead and take a left.
Right here?
Right here. Yeah.